Well, look what we have today to have fun with. This RV washing machine. It's got a little section to agitate here and to spin. Okay, why did you just light a lighter in my... You're trying to light my hair on fire?
Yep.
Okay. Well...
Gives you any hint.
So let's get started. Let's have some fun with this thing. Well, let's fill this thing up.
Put it over top of that. You recording?
Yep.
Don't lay it down because it's going to drip everywhere. Put it in the bucket. There you go. You're spraying everywhere. Aren't you?
No.
Okay, we're good. Put some clothes in there and put some sand in there.
What's the fun of putting clothes in there, Matt?
Sand in there?
Well, why do you need to use laundry detergent? I mean, this stuff's cheaper.
Yep.
Let's just put some of that in there and...
Maybe a little more? Oh yeah. Kill it. We need more.
Yep.
You see it?
Yep.
I think that's all of it.
Yep.
Oh Lord.
Not quite yet. I think we have an over-sudsing issue.
Well, not yet.
Well, you got to tell the customer to use HE detergent.
Oh, I think this is high efficiency, isn't it?
No. Let's see. Well, this saves wildlife, so...
Yeah, no, it's high efficiency, see? Where's the point? Oh, it's getting sudsing, bro.
It sure is, Matt.
Oh,
I don't know what's wrong.
It's getting really up there.
Yeah.
Oh.
No. Make sure we're not leaking.
One more.
Oh, it's got some brown in the water now. Got an odor on my clothes.
Go.
Oh, God.
I think. Oh, flash!
Starting to get up there.
Here.
Oh my God.
I told you that ain't that.
It smells like Dawn, mixture of Dawn and...
An ass.
Yeah.
I think that's. Oh my God. I think that's Tom. He's out there, right there.
What?
I think he broke something.
Look up.
Broke wind.
Oh man. Look at all this shit coming out of it. Probably got one part of that firework stuck in the pump.
Oh yeah, you might want to put that back. I think you just messed it up.
No, that pump's just shit.
That piece of crap. I think we should just drain it. Like completely. With it like that.
Let's put it in there.
Not a lot of this Snoopy.
See, the thing is just not draining, man. We need a... I mean, that drain pump is shit.
This better not be a dud.
Yeah.
I'll be very pissed off.
Was that your last one?
No.
Alright, well then no problems then.
This is the like... seeing shit float in there.
This is how you drain a washing machine. Maybe.
Oh God. Oh. You blew out the bottom.
Not necessarily. Oh shit. Oh my, smell that?
Yeah, that smells like fireworks.
I can't even see in there, right?
Here, go on.
And it doesn't like pumping those suds.
Look. Hello.
Let's put some debris in here first.
Really? I think we're good. No, those are my cans that I need to recycle. We're good. Oh man.
Okay, that's probably good right there. Turn the drain pump off. I'm tired of hearing it struggle. Put that in there.
Maybe not.
They whistle, man.
Turn it off, turn it off, turn it off! I felt the shockwave on my leg.
They whistle, Matt. They don't whistle, Matt. They blow out the
I
side.
didn't hear the whistle because it was in water. I guess I grabbed the wrong one.
Look at that. They put like a perfect hole in the side. Look at that. Look how perfect that is.
You want to do the big one now? Like this one? Way too much sun.
Clean the floor.
Look at all that. Asshole. Don't even help.
I just like watching.
I don't know, dickhead.
I want this machine to work a little bit harder.
That's good, that's good, that's good. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good right there. Trust me, that's a lot. Oh, that's good. 20. I can hear it struggle. Oh. Can't wait till the new neighbors
Yeah.
Oh god, it's on top. Oh god, it's on the side. Oh!
What the hell?
Because it went right at the hole.
Okay. Let's switch to the spin side.
And then as soon as you close it, it'll go, right?
I'm not gonna...
Oh god, oh god, oh god.
Oh!
So much for a whistle.
It's like doing smoke rings. It's shooting smoke rings.
I know. Okay, stop it. Okay, no, flip it the other way.
Water's shooting out.
This pump is on. Pump is on.
Oh shit!
Take it out! Take it out! Okay, you can take it out now. Why is it stopping? God. Cleaned it.
Look at that, yep.
A little
Didn't
bit.
dry it though.
But that's good. That's good. I don't want to waste it all. Oh, I told you. John. Look.
Yeah.
It's moving it. That pump's on.
Yeah.
Did you turn it on high?
No, I just balanced it out a little bit.
I know, right? Really? It bounced. Oh God.
Balanced it out.
You're a dickhead. It bounced. No. Don't blow that fast. Turn it down, you're gonna blow the hose. Turn it down. Turn that down. When you open it up for your pants. Alright, stop. You can stop anytime now. It's gonna fill that up, isn't it?
No, just that side.
Now how do you get it out? Exactly. It looks like somebody took a huge. Look in there. what happens when you have Taco Bell and Taco Bell and White Castle on the same day. Okay, we're going in. Sit your camera. Pull on it. It's quite obvious. It broke.
Nope.
What is that in there?
A brick.
What is this thing?
A wash machine.
That's a fucking wash
Yeah.
machine. That's a wash machine.
I hope that's off.
It's off.
What, you're trying to crush up a brick?
No. Trying to destroy it.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah, I don't think you're gonna break it, John.
I have to give it something. It is pretty sturdy.
The bottom of it is. It's holding up.
I jammed it.
Sound like my chili fart.
I think we're good. I'm saying let's slow anyway. Good saying. You sure? It's sturdy. Let's pry it up.
That's why you need the hammer.
It's blue. No,
What, the blue?
The blue lid. It's way too loud. There you go. Get on the other side. Other side. There you go. There it is. There's the
Is this how you service it?
I think we're good. Stop.
Oh, it's smoking.
Leave it. Might blow up. Like that.
Let's hope it has a thermal protector.
What was that?
That was it.
It's still gonna move.
What? Aw, it balance itself out.
I didn't like that. Move that over on top of it. Oh, the whole thing's spinning. It's gonna break this time.
I think it hit something over there.
Yep, there it went.
markings, timer.
That's actually kind of cool.
See what the side. See?
Hey, put it down, put it down, put it down, put it down, put it down. Put it down.
Oh, we stopped that one. Oh shit! Did you get in your eye?
No, hit me in the forehead though.
I think the timer's pretty much done. What's that's the selector switch. Oh no, this is that was the selector switch.
I think you're good here. I'm pretty sure it's not coming back to life even when you call service now. This is what happens when you work with appliances every day. You want to just destroy them.
I should know.
That was my point.
Sorry, man. You got an unrepairable.
Thank you. I did a new washing machine. Did you have a warranty? Nope.
Yeah, well, that's your problem. You don't get an extended warranty, so you have to pay for this stuff. Stuff's not made to last any longer. 8 to 10 years, and that's if you're lucky.
Then this happens.
Should have kept your old washer.
You gotta be kind of quiet because Jesus. Count. That's all I say.
Your recording plastic is. Make sure I'm getting it.
You're good. That's all I ask. Hit the. There you go. Okay. It's way too loud because she can hear that over. Do that.
Oh, look at all the spaghetti here.
That's why they put it in the flat bag. Is that a fuse?
Oh well.
Pretty sure it's done for. You can't see that.
Yeah, you can.
You put a hole in your foot. Don't do that. You're too much of a loud mess.
A loud mess.
Yeah, I just combined it. Leave me alone.
I'm gonna call. I'm gonna turn this into warranty.
Do you fix destroyed shit? What do you mean by destroyed?
This is called customer abuse right here.
Oh, but that's the definition of it.
But who needs to know? Say it blew up just like the Samsung washing machines.
I know you mean the phones.
No, they had washing machines that
It blew up too.
during the spin cycle.
Just blew up.
Yeah.
Oh, just like their phones.
Yeah.
Their
So
batteries.
Samsung is not doing too well lately.